What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of What's Good Wisco. If you have watched any of my videos so far, you've probably noticed that all of the restaurants have been classified based on what kind of food they offer. But what happens if you're looking for just a place to hang out, maybe grab a drink? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered there as well. Today I am at the Thirsty Parrot, which is in Lake Geneva on the north side of Lake Como. This is one of the newer taverns to the area. They got a really unique Jimmy Buffett kind of Margaritaville vibe going on inside. It's also a great place to shoot some pool. Let's go check it out. The Thirsty Parrot is about as close as you can get to a tropical vacation in Wisconsin. There's a large indoor bar as well as an outdoor tiki bar complete with swings, 3 pool tables, gaming, and more. Walking into the Thirsty Parrot instantly puts you on island time. So thanks for taking a tour of the Thirsty Parrot here in Lake Geneva. If you're looking for a place that gives you that vacation feel, even in the middle of a Wisconsin winter, you definitely want to check them out. I'll see you next week.